PeoplesEarch123.com has more than 10 years of experience delivering public record information via the Internet. It is a people search website that provides access to billions of public documents from across the country, as well as social media, online images, death records, and more. PeopleSearch 123 specializes in running background checks, searching criminal records, and digging up hidden information on the dark web. A PeopleSearch 123 background report can include public records, sex offender status, court and arrest records, marriage and divorce status, social and dating profiles, address history, relatives, contact information. If you do not want to share these information online, you may opt out from their website. And here's how. First, just go to PeoplesEarch123.com opt-out page. Second, enter your first and last name and your state, then click on Search. Enter your city and click Submit. Answer the yes or no question accordingly. Locate the record by checking the age and location. Provide your email address, full name, address, and phone number, then click Submit. Check your email and click the confirmation link. Your opt-out request has been submitted. If you want to know how Delete My Info can help, you may also call us at 855-959-0311 or visit www.deletemyinfo.com.